If the dashboard is in the way when installing a car radio, you can adjust the position of the main board on the back of the radio until it fits properly. Remove the first screws securing the main board. Move the main board upward. Then secure the screws. Or move the main board downward. Then secure the screws. This way, it will perfectly avoid the dashboard. After wiring harness installation is complete, you must select the correct protocol according to the vehicle configuration. Click Settings. Click Vehicle Settings. Click Factory. Enter password 000000. Click Protocol Settings. Select Raise. Select Chevrolet Buick. Select Excel. According to your vehicle configuration, select Low Configuration or High Configuration. Finally, restart the car radio. Remove the gear panel and pull it backward. Remove the original car radio panel. Unplug the connecting wire S. Unscrew the screws and take out the CD. When connecting the new car radio, generally only connect the power cord with the black plug. There's no need to connect other wires from the original car to the new car radio. Connection instructions for Buick LaCrosse 2009 to 2012 car radio. The back of a car radio, the 16-pin connector, handles various connections, such as car radio power supply, account ignition switch, reverse gear detection, steering wheel learning speakers, ambient light detection, CAN bus, etc. Plug the 8P connector into the power supply port of the protocol box. Connect the 6P connector to the panel control socket and attach the black connector to the alarm unit sport. These two black connectors mate with the ones in the vehicle. Once connected, every other plug that was originally in the factory radio can be skipped and does N-Trek wire reconnection. 20-pin audio-video multi-function connector. Features include external amplifier control, AUX right or left audio inputs, stereo line level I or O video input, external mic support and fan power output. Connect the microphone cable and the fan plug. Connect the 4-pin USB plug. Connect the 6-pin USB plug. Connect the car radio antenna plug. Connect the GPS antenna plug. This 10-pin interface supports reverse camera input, brake detection, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna connections. Connect the rear view camera extension cable. Connect the camera S. power cable and signal cable. Then connect the red wire from the power cable and the red wire from the signal extension together and link them to the positive terminal of the car's reverse light. If your vehicle has a power amplifier, you need to connect the two RCA cables labeled FL out and FR out on the 20-pin plug to the amplifier cables in your car